Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another mental health moment. Today, our mental health moment for Mental Health Awareness Month is going to be on nature and our mental health. So, let's get into it. The physiological response of being outside in nature is real and it's measurable. There are many physical and psychological benefits of nature that scientists have observed, which can better help us to understand how nature supports wellness in the body, mind, and community. There are many mental wellness benefits associated with being outside in green spaces, such as lower risk of depression and faster psychological stress recovery. Studies have shown that being in nature can restore and strengthen our mental capabilities, increasing focus and attention. Another major component of mental health is social connection. The outdoors serves as a venue to come together with friends and family and connect with the larger community. This togetherness is especially important for us now. We have found that isolation is a killer and that the outdoors really provides that space for us to come together under trees and to walk along trails together. From a stroll through a city park to a day spent hiking in the wilderness, exposure to nature has been linked to a host of benefits, including improved attention, lower stress, better moods, reduced risk of psychiatric disorders, and even upticks in empathy and cooperation. A lot of research has focused on green spaces such as parks and forests, and researchers are now also beginning to study the benefits of blue spaces with rivers and ocean views. But nature comes in all shapes and sizes, and psychological research is still fine-tuning our understanding of its potential benefits. There is mounting evidence from many researchers that nature has benefits for both physical and psychological human well-being. You can boost your mood just by walking in nature, even in urban nature, and the sense of connection you have with the natural world seems to contribute to happiness, even when you are not physically immersed in nature. Spending time in nature can act as a balm for our busy brains. Both correlations and experimental research have shown that interacting with nature has cognitive benefits. It was reported, for instance, that green spaces near schools promote cognitive development in children, and green views near children's homes promote self-controlled behaviors. Adults living in public housing units in neighborhoods with more green space showed better attentional functioning than those assigned to units with less access to natural environments. Even the sounds of nature may be recuperative. Spending time in nature has cognitive benefits, but it also has emotional and existential benefits that go beyond just being able to solve arithmetic problems more quickly. Nature can benefit our mental health by improving our moods, reducing our stress or anger, helping us to take time out and to feel more relaxed. It improves our physical health. It improves our self-confidence and self-esteem. It also helps us to be more active, helps us to meet and get to know new people, and helps us connect with our local community, reduces our loneliness, helps you to be more connected to nature, and provides peer support. The benefits of nature on our mental health are many. I hope that this has been helpful, this mental health moment on mental health and nature. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that bell so you're notified every time I come live. And please like this video. Also, follow me on all my other social media. And until the next time, I offer you peace and blessings from the West Side. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye, you guys.